Hey everybody, how you doing? Mark here, standing at Rustic Road 37 today, and I am still out on my 8-day motorcycle camping trip, and it's getting to the end, and I've got a few more of these rustic roads to hit up, and number 37 is one of them. Now this one states that it's only 1.8 miles, but looking at the map of it, it is kind of a windy little road. So although it's not long, there are some twisties in it, and by the way the map looked, it looked like we can do them at speed. I don't think they're going to be super tight or anything like that to where you have to drop down a gear. But speed is at 45 for this particular rustic road, and remember that's the highest they're governed at is 45. You'll never get a speed limit over that on a rustic road. Let's get on the bike and check out number 37. Let's have fun. Whew, that sun is bright today. Couple of nice houses out here. Nice big beautiful oaks and maples on the side of the road, and I mean big and old. Holy cow. See, already into these curves. Look at this. A 35-mile-an-hour curve? No way! Well, you know, I don't have to slow down for that. Yeah, these twisties are kind of nice. Road's a little bumpy, a little broken up, and not horrible. Oh, speaking of bumps, that wasn't bad. Looks like they were doing a little bit of a culvert work. Oh, here's another one right up here too. Yeah, it says bump, but there's not much of a bump there. And believe it or not, guys, that's it. Our stop sign is right up here. Yep, there's our Rustic Road end sign. You really can't even read the end part of it at the top there. But yeah, that's it. That's the end of the Rustic Road. 1.8 miles. Doesn't take long, does it? But yeah, not a bad little road. Love the little curves there. A little broken up, but not a bad ride all in all. Well, this is Mark saying thank you so much for coming along and enjoying this little ride with me and experiencing a rustic road, even though it was a very short one. But, you know, sometimes that's the way they go. Sometimes they're 1 mile long. Sometimes they're 35 miles long. Sometimes they're pavement, sometimes they're gravel, sometimes they're both. But anyway, you can always ensure that you're going to have a good time on a rustic road. They'll always bring a little smile to your face. Thanks for watching, guys. Always believe that you can go out for your adventure, go out for your ride, always cook that food, and always believe heart, soul, mind, and body in yourself. Bye, guys.